Hi, it's me.
Hello, it's me, and I am alive. Yes, today we gonna plant a tiny, and guess what? It's not a bonsai, it's my potatoes. It's not a potatoes, no. It's Discorea elephantensis, something. But I have a kind of strange idea to put all these small potatoes into this to this pot here and see what will happen. So let me put you down. Oh, look. What do you think about my ring? Isn't it beautiful? With leaves and everything. I love it. Pretty! So, how about, let me see. What do you gonna see? So I have my cacti sowing soil, my potatoes, and my pot, my potatoes, my tools. So let me. I've had more of this grass but I shared and I sent to Lena from Instagram, and oh, I have some cacti here in between because she always wanted one. So I thought, well, I saw so many so I can share, so I sent her some. And if you didn't see the video, the potting video, or no, not potting video, if you didn't see the exchange video with Lena, or plant swap with Lena, I will put this link here. What is here? Yeah. So you can see it. She sent me some and I sent her some. So I will just reuse this perlite, which was here as a drainage layer, and I will simply need a little bit of something. I will take a little bit of cotton pad so the soil will not drain out, but it will act like a filter. So this is a very tiny pot, so probably what I should do is so tiny. I would do something I did to my other bonsai tree, which is I will take a little bit of rope, put it through the hole, and will be self-watering that way. So something like this. So it will probably not dry out so quickly, because on the balcony right now it's really hot. So this will, and the substrate is so airy. So I imagine this will be constantly dry, otherwise. Coffee. How have you been? Have you been good? Oh, look at these tiny potatoes. Let me know. Oh, look how cute. Oh, this is so cute. So this is one potato. And I will kind of have it maybe under the soil or half, I don't know yet. Oh, this is another one. A tiny one. So tell me guys, how have you been? Oh, also today is April 18th and this video probably will not be up before long time, but because I have some videos I'm posting before on schedule. I'm trying to keep the schedule once a month. No, once a week, I'm sorry. Ouch. I like this moss here, so I will keep that. And this tiny cacti too, we will see what happens. More cacti. I think this is the mammillaria who just popped the seed inside. Anyway, so how have you been? I've been sick for maybe a month, I think. First I've been sick for 3 weeks, then I've been kinda okay for maybe 1 week or so. And then I caught a cold again. So I've been sick. Mostly working, trying to take care of my plants. Nothing special. Oh, look, we have more potatoes. Oh, another potato. I like call it potato. You know, and what I think this will be, you know, when this grow together and will bump into each other and form each other codex. This is what I think gonna be so pretty. I have no idea. I may be wrong. I will regret my decision, but for right now I'm getting kind of creative with my plants and it's okay. So this is the ones I got seeds from the, I don't remember, internet, or I think I have a video. I will also try to find it and put it in the description below. So I'll try to get this nice and you know. So anyway, I think this would be a nice idea to make it like this. Press it a little bit to get more firm. Put it even more. I think I have some cacti, tiny cacti. And I think this one should actually go to dormancy, probably. I hope they don't, because I need them to grow. So I will keep them home, because on the balcony they will definitely go to dormancy, and then you never know if this will wake up again or not. I don't know how sensitive these are. Do I have some? No. So these are my potatoes in a tiny self-watering pot. So how about I will put them on a tray with water so it will water up, and I show you. Oh. So now these are in the tray, and I will try to gently water through. so everything gets nice and wet. And the tray. Now we put the water in a tray, and yeah, we need to water thoroughly, so, and this one can soak up some water. So let's see. So this is how it's gonna be. That can be perfect, I have no idea. I'm also watering my glubosa and my euphorbia glubosa. She's so pretty. She grew quite much. She was very little, but now she's kind of beautiful. She's gonna be out now also. And this will be here. So we will see if my idea is a good idea or not. We will figure it out at the end of the day. So thank you guys so much for watching and for liking and for commenting. I really appreciate it. I love this community, that we can give each other tips and tricks and see each other's ups and downs, and you know, the victory, and with the flowers and everything. I love it. Today I saw Rachel's video from gardening in Duentza, and she was talking about, let me sit. She was talking, no, she was about to do a repot, and she practically took too big of a pot for this begonia, and you know, normally the YouTubers could cut this out and posted the perfect video, but her lesson to all of us was that it's okay to be wrong sometimes, you know. We live, we try, we win, we die. Okay, the we die part is my part. Rachel is, I love her channel. So anyway, here's the other potato. Now I feel like I'm rumbling. My potato. So this one is in the dormant state now, so it's out of the sun, and I'm here with my Wanda, chilling. Oh gosh, such a beautiful weather. I'm very happy. One of my friends from London is coming and visiting, so I'm even more excited. And I get this ring today, pick this up, and I'm so happy. So, oh my god. So all people mentioned today, links are down below, and yeah, so cross fingers for my potatoes. For my potatoes, yes. And everything is growing. When you see this video, you probably will see another video, and if not, I will add some updates on flowers after me rambling. So anyway, I just cannot stop looking at this beauty. Oh my god, I'm so in love. Oh guys, just waiting for this one also. Okay, I just showed you lots of updates about that, but I can't. Oh look, this one is growing, start growing. Okay guys,